Today, we face the harsh reality of environmental damage. But with this year's theme, Generation Restoration, we find that there is still hope. We can't turn back time, but we can be the generation that heals the earth.
At DPL, we know the weight of this responsibility. It's etched every decision we make.
We have converted our plastic sample bags to recyclable craft papers with cotton strings.
And we have optimized our packaging to use as little plastic as possible.
Did you know? In 2023, we replaced 9 metric tons of plastic polybags with 3 million header cards.
Plus, we ethically source 85% of the natural latex locally through the DPL First Light Farmer Network, supporting our community.
And let's not forget our commitment to responsible waste management. Also, we have increased our composting percentage to achieve zero landfill target.
We've also installed solar panels in all of our factories and implemented water recycling to reduce our environmental impact.
Plastic, we give it new life. In 2023 alone, we recycled 395,000 plastic bottles to create yarn for our eco-friendly glove range.
We're not stopping there. Our DPL Green Technology platform develops gloves with biodegradable and recycled materials.
These are just a few examples of DPL's commitment towards sustainability. We are constantly searching for ways to reduce our impact and to restore our planet. At DPL, we believe in taking responsibility. We believe in innovation. But most importantly, we believe in hope. We strive for a future where our gloves protect not only your hands, but also the hands that nurture the world. It's not just about profit, it's about a legacy of a generation that chose to restore, a generation that chose hope. Together, we can make a difference for us, for our planet, and for generations to come.